Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And stocks had traded sharply lower earlier in the day on fears that a trade war could take place after President Donald Trump announced tariffs on both steel and aluminum imports. And we'll take a look at where that's affecting the markets and how they stand, give you some key levels to watch next week. In fact, it actually started on Wednesday shortly after my market update. The S&P 500, the Dow, both below their 50-day moving average, crossing over and then continuing that move down, where yesterday you saw the S&P 500 lose 1.3% on the day. And today it's actually down currently now a little over 1/10 of a point, with a chart analysis score -65, indicating that it is in a sidelines mode for the S&P 500. And in fact, we'll switch this to a weekly chart. And as you can see, it's currently down 2.6% on the week, continuing that weakness that we saw at the end of February. Key level to watch for the S&P 500 will be 2,622.45. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that the downtrend has strengthened and resumed. Moving along to the Dow Jones, you can see currently trading at 24,454.58. Down 3.38% on the week. And in fact, we'll back this out to a daily here. Chart analysis score still +65, with that green monthly and green weekly trade triangle. As you can see, crossed below its 50-day moving average, headed down, was down as much as 391 points in early trading before bouncing off that low. Currently down 154 points, or 0.6% on the day. Key level to watch should be 24,217.76. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. Moving along to the Nasdaq, dipped below that 50-day moving average yesterday only to finish higher. Definitely went below it today, trading as low as 7,084.83 before getting back into positive territory, up 0.2% right now. However, chart analysis score is still +55, indicating a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch should be 6,779.49. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that a downtrend has resumed for the Nasdaq. Moving along the dollar index, currently down about almost 0.3% at 89.97, with a chart analysis score +60. However, if we pull up a weekly chart, it is eking out some gains, up 0.2% on the week. Key level to watch for the US dollar would be 88.15. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a short position for the US dollar. Moving along to crude oil, currently down, trading at 61.40, with a chart analysis score -60, indicating that a short position is in order for crude oil, down 3.41% on the week over concerns of rising inventory here in the U.S. Key level to watch is 63.44. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. Moving along to gold, currently trading at 1,323.70, up on the day. However, it is down overall in the week about 0.5%, with a chart analysis score -60. Key level to watch for gold would be 1,326.60. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we'll move this back to a daily chart here. As you can see, had that traded as low as 13.03 yesterday to rebound today, with the volatilities re-entering the market. And we'll back this out here and we'll take a look at Bitcoin, BRTI. Currently trading below the 11,000 level at 10,931.18, down 1.39% on the day. And we'll change this back to a weekly here. And as you can see, it is posting a 13% gain on the week. A chart analysis score is +100, with green trade triangles across the board. However, our stop has tightened up. We're looking at a key level of 8,023.84. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and I'll be back next week to update the markets.